Hey guys, it's Candy coming to you again with another crochet braid tutorial. And again, you already know what it is. My very favorite crochet style is the Faux Locs. And today I'm using the Hippie Boho Locks by Freetress. I'm just starting off by showing you guys an excerpt. I call it an excerpt because it's not very detailed. I have a detailed video that I will link below, but this is just the braid pattern that I typically use when I want my crochet styles to look individual. So definitely go ahead and watch that video so you can see step by step how I achieve it. So right now I'm just doing my partings and I'm braiding the perimeter of the head in an upward direction, and that's the key. That's the trick to having the style look like individuals. So yeah, just watch and enjoy. So this, you guys, is the braid pattern, yes, that I used. And as you can see, the perimeter is upwards and then the middle is just going all the way back. And so we're gonna go ahead now and start the installation, and you will get to see why or how these braids will look like they're individually installed. So this is the hair of choice, as I said before, the Freetress Boho Hippie locks. And of course we're going to start in the back with the installation, just inserting your crochet tool, attaching it to the loop, closing it, pulling it through, and then attaching the end of the locks to the latch hook and then pulling that through the loop and just sliding it to make it secure. And we're going to go ahead and do that step over and over and over again. Alright, so as a quick tip, for the very back of the style, you want to ensure that you start, at the very nape, and then the second row should be fairly close to the locks on the first row, and that will help to give you the coverage that you need if you do decide to wear your hair up in a high ponytail. But when you get to the middle part, you do not have to pack them that densely, if you get my drift. Alright guys, so we're all done, and you can see based on the look of the hair in the back that nobody could ever tell that this is crochet braids. It does look like individuals, both on the sides and in the back. And yeah, this is how the hair look. As I said, this is one of my favorite ever faux locs hair on the market right now, and it just gives that nice blend of locks and curls. And yeah, a close-up as to the individualness of the look, of the style, of the pattern, of the technique. All right, so that's it, you guys. Our faux locs tutorial. Yes, work it, girl. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you spending time on our channel. Yeah, and remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, and just hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a video, which is weekly, of course. We appreciate you, and take care until next video. We post on Wednesdays and on Saturdays, so keep it locked. Stay tuned, because we will be back.